said, yeah. I said, yeah. I said, yeah.
Wagwan, my people, it's boy. Grow with Rejoice, grow your mindset. My brothers don't need sushi. The Day of Reconciliation. 16th of December is a public holiday in South Africa known as the Reconciliation Day. It is a day where people from all walks of life come together to celebrate South Africa's freedom and peace. It's a day to reflect on how the country has worked hard to heal its past wounds. I personally think that we're still working hard to heal our past wounds, and the day wasn't made to say that we are done healing. I think we are still struggling to heal and mend our wound. Reconciliation Day was made to create a united future where everyone, no matter their background, can live together in harmony. The 16th of December was chosen as the Day of Reconciliation in 1995 by the newly formed post-apartheid government under Nelson Mandela. This was part of an effort to bridge the divide between South Africa's black and white communities and encourage healing after decades of racial oppression. So in today's video, I'm going to be asking my colleagues a few questions about Reconciliation Day. Let's get into it.
I'm doing good. Yourself?
Good, man. So in today's video, we're just going to ask you a few questions about Reconciliation Day. That's happening on December the 16th. Okay, let's hop into it.
Peace.
Perfect. Straight to the point.
I'm winning.
Yes, you are.
Reconciliation, in one word, I would say forgiveness and unity. That's 2 words, but yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah.
I think reconciliation, not one word, maybe forgiveness, one word, but generally just the righting of wrongs.
The righting of wrongs.
Yeah. Forgiveness.
Solid. I would define reconciliation in one word. I would say to heal. Yeah, heal.
Forgiveness.
I think what we do best in South Africa is to braai. We come together, black or white, braai, drinks, the beer,
Yes.
having a good time, just listening to the music that we listen to, and just coming together, eating meat.
So I think we should celebrate Reconciliation Day with a rugby game, okay? I think we should bring back South Africa versus New Zealand. Tickets are free at the stadium for all South Africans. And then we just enjoy the game, the cheers. Because us as South Africans, I know we love rugby. We're the best in the world, you get me? The reason why I say New Zealand, because we won our first Rugby World Cup, I think in 1995. And that's when you really saw the unity with South Africa, because, we were supporting our team. And yeah, we won the Rugby World Cup. Mandela was there, and it was just a good year for us.
How to celebrate it? First of all, the traditional black label.
Yes.
And a brand.
Yes.
That's how I think just enjoyment, socialize, and have a good year.
Yes,
That's
sir.
how I think we should celebrate.
The Reconciliation Day should be celebrated not just with family, but people you consider your family. Especially if you guys had some arguments with differential, disturbed with each other lately. That you made up, so guys spending the day together, forgetting about the past and focusing on the future.
I think South Africa has got that on lock. I think Decembering well, Reconciliation Day, everyone looks forward to it because it's the official second half of December.
Yes.
Everyone's having fun. That's when the family gatherings, the friend gatherings, the corporate gatherings, everyone gathers. So I think it is timed very well for our reconciliation, and it's become a national project now to celebrate December. So not necessarily on the 16th, but definitely the whole month becomes a national project. Yes.
forgiveness, moving past what happened in the past in essence and look into the future to make things better. I believe that we're a nation that has quite a lot of history, but that history has made us better. Instead of actually holding any grudges or anything like that, we've actually grown quite well to know that together we're better. So unity.
Nice.
That's South Africa.
I would define the reconciliation as unity. Everyone just working together without any fights against each other. We all one, we South Africans.
Yes, sir.
Because we all should be just one, and it is a time of festive, so it is all about forgiveness for me.
Basically, in the context of a relationship, for example, any type of relationship, there was some sort of misunderstanding, and then all of a sudden we're no longer united. So to reconcile with us, making efforts to be one again, to get along again, So it's basically joining parties for peace sake, for forgiveness sake. Reconciling is all about forgiveness and letting bygones be bygones, and focusing on the new positive.
To me personally, just airing out whatever has occurred and then coming together to my bad, we're past it. Reconciliation is basically just taking into account everything that's happened and deciding together, okay, we're done with that, we're moving forward.
I would define reconciliation as us coming together, reconciling, reconciliation to me means putting everything in the where it is or in the past and just coming together for one thing, one goal,
A game. So there's quite a popular game on YouTube, these YouTubers. It's basically being cuffed to one another for 24 hours. So I would cuff maybe Julius Malema to someone he hates in a different political party for 24 hours.
Wow.
Now that's reconciliation.
Yeah, that's wow.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see how that plays out.
Yeah.
Imagine if we were actually be able to do
they won't have a choice
that.
but to be at peace with one another.
Yes. Okay, thank you. That's it. Yes, if South Africa had to reconcile by playing a game, which game would you pick?
Chess.
Chess. Why chess?
The one thing about South Africans is they all have something to say.
Yeah.
Now with chess, what I love about that game is I love that you need to strategize. You can't just go in there without a plan.
Yes.
And if you've spoken to South Africa, they always have a plan for everything. So that's the reason.
I'd pick rugby because that's one thing that we I think all races
Come together
as whether you're Indian, you're white, you're black. I think a rugby game you can see a lot of variety in the stadium, as opposed to if it's just soccer, or cricket. You see a lot of Indians in a cricket stadium. Because of rugby, there's
There's a whole there's so much love.
Currently now, rugby is becoming the nation's sport.
Definitely, and we're the best in the world at it is also.
We are the best, and our captain Siapolisi, doing the most.
Would it be a board game or sports? Or?
If it's soccer, we'll win, man.
Okay. Okay,
cool. Soccer, like in the townships, we play soccer, man. I grew up playing soccer. I played a few sports, cricket, tennis, rugby, but soccer, man. Soccer, Yeah. Diski. We call it diski.
Diski.
Yeah, man. I would probably be like the mentor.
The mentor? Okay.
Because I'm pretty good at bringing people together.
Nice.
Probably the how do we put it in the word? So the one that motivates everyone basically.
Okay.
Keeps them on the toes, like
Yes.
the hope giver. Basically.
The hope giver.
Something like that. Yeah.
Okay,
First song that I actually thought about was a song by Michael Jackson. Don't know the actual name of the song, but I know the lyrics where he says, "Heal the world, make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race."
Yes.
You know, I think that speaks a lot to exactly what that day would be about, the 16th, knowing what we've gone through when it comes to apartheid, our history. So we would need to heal, we need to forgive, and let's look into the greener pastures.
Yes.
How we've come to integrate together, grow together, diverse together.
Yes.
We're amazing that way.
We are amazing.
What's the song? Anybody?
Oh, yes.
Anybody? I feel like
Yes.
that song specifically.
Yes.
You know, that's a song. If you exiting a place, or if you're entering
Entering
a
a place.
place, it puts everyone
Yeah.
on a perfect vibe.
I get you.
Put Up by LMA. Put Up.
Food up. Food up. Okay, cool. No, that's it, man.
So if I think about that way, then I like the song of, it's a very old song, it's of Jessie J, you know? It's called Price Tags. So
Okay.
then one of the lyrics, she's like there and she's like, why don't we just all sit back, take a minute, relax and enjoy what's been given to us.
Yeah.
So like, yeah, take a minute, sit back, relax. So I'm doing that song, Price Tags, of Jessie J.
The two songs I would pick, to be honest, is Shosholoza and Jerusalema. I think those two are really popular songs that I think would bring South Africa together, and it's very famous, yeah.
Bluebird.
Bluebird. Okay. By who?
I can't remember the artist, but it is the most famous theme song in Naruto.
Okay. I actually know that song. That's
Yes.
crazy.
I think I choose, I can't sing it, but it's the Miriam Makeba
Yes.
song. Yeah, you guys can sing it. And then another one is Bongini Ngeba. But yeah, I feel like those are the type of songs that really like, that's a historical song from Miriam Makeba, and
Yes.
really just brought everybody together from also different parties or races. Also a Dolly Parton song would also make sense.
Okay. South Africa, peace. Peace. My brothers don't eat sushi.